will you hire a heating contractor in Sioux City? If you like it when things get done right, then you'll want to turn to the experts at HVAC Comfort. As a full-service HVAC contractor, we take care of the heating, ventilation, and air conditioning needs of your home. We proudly present Daikin, the global leader in innovation for high-efficiency furnaces, heat pumps, and the popular ductless mini-split systems. Daikin has turned heating and air conditioning into an art form and offers a broad range of products. As a Daikin Comfort Pro, you can rely on our high level of training and the outstanding Daikin Comfort Promise. We'll return to your house to resolve any issues you have with your installation at no cost to you for 1 year. We offer the best products backed up by the best support. Ready for real comfort? Turn to the HVAC experts at HVAC Comfort for your home heating. Call today, 712-223-8101.